Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a focused project. Open GarageBand and pick empty project or a template that matches your goal. Once done, set tempo, key, and time signature so recordings lock to the grid and feel consistent. Next, add the correct track type. Choose software instrument for MIDI, audio for mic or guitar, or drummer for instant rhythm. Make sure to name tracks and save immediately. This avoids accidental loss and keeps your session organized as you build. Now you record and shape performances. You arm the selected track, confirm input levels with 1 or 2 test takes so clipping is avoided, and engage cycle mode to record multiple passes. Once you have takes, use take folders to comp the best phrases. This combines timing and pitch choices neatly. Make sure to open the editor for precise trimming, quantize MIDI if needed, and apply flex time to tighten timing. Also, add short fades to prevent clicks and smooth transitions between edits. Finish by mixing and exporting your song. You should balance track levels, pan to create space, and add EQ and light compression to make elements sit together. Subtlety matters. Once the mix feels right, route effects via buses and sends for consistent reverb or delay, and check the mix in mono and on headphones to catch issues. Finally, export via Share Export Song to Disk, choose WAV or MP3 and proper bit depth. If playback stutters, lower buffer size or freeze tracks to reduce CPU load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.